Welcome to Samuel Academy channel. My name is Samuel. This video is about mapping of senior schools in Kacheliba Constituency in West Pokot County. The reason for this video is to create awareness of existing schools in the constituency for the benefit of students, parents and teachers when selecting schools for senior secondary education. I did the mapping of the schools in the video by using GIS technique. GIS in full is Geographic Information Systems. It helps us to understand patterns, relationships, and geographic context. In this video, I will explore the map of the constituency and show where the schools are found. After that, I will explain how a wet bulb hygrometer works. This is a weather instrument that is found in a weather station and it is used for measuring relative humidity. In the video, we have the map of Kacheliba constituency showing where schools are found. So I'm going to explore that map by zooming in and zooming out. Alright? Now, if I look at that map, I find that most of the parts are covered by forests. So you don't have so many schools there. But let's see what we have. Now, if I zoom in around this area, okay, I get a school there that is called Kacheliba Mixed Day. It is around there. It is near to Rio Mixed Secondary School, but in another constituency. So let me move towards the north. Let me zoom out and then move around this area. I find Konyao Secondary School. Alright, let me zoom out further towards the north. I come across this school here. It is called St. Komboni Amakuriat Secondary School. Those are the few schools we have in that constituency of Kacheliba, because most of the parts are covered by forests. Now I want to explain how a wet bulb hygrometer works. This is how it looks like, right? This is a wet bulb hygrometer for measuring relative humidity. It has two thermometers, the dry bulb thermometer and wet bulb thermometer. The two thermometers are ordinary mercury in glass thermometers, alright? The difference between the two is that at the bulb of the wet bulb, we have a muslin cloth wrapped around the bulb. Muslin is MUSLIN. And we also have a wick that is suspended from that a cloth into a container with distilled water. So water rises by capillarity along that wick and evaporates. That evaporation, which takes place around the wet bulb, causes cooling, okay, such that when an observer takes a reading, the temperature of the wet bulb thermometer is usually lower than the temperature on the dry bulb thermometer. There is a difference. That difference, we call it the wet bulb depression. Like in this case, we can see that the wet bulb temperature is about 90 degrees Celsius and the dry bulb temperature is about 27 degrees Celsius. So that difference is what the observer uses to calculate humidity by using a slide rule or by checking from tables. So in summary, an observer reads the two thermometers at the same time every hour. He reads the dry bulb temperature and also the wet bulb temperature, and then finds the difference, that is dry bulb minus wet bulb. That difference is what he uses to calculate humidity by using a slide rule or by checking from tables. Alright, dear viewer, I want to urge you to subscribe to this channel to be able to view more videos. And also remember to share this video widely for the benefit of other students who come from remote areas and they are not able to access a weather station. But in this channel, they are able to view more videos about how weather instruments work. All right. So thank you so much for viewing this video, and remember to subscribe to Samuel Academy.